Dr. Fastlane, and today I found a real treat for your eyes, a 1970 Dodge Coronet Super Bee. And here we have Paul Dudzinski, the owner of the car,
good.
and he's here to tell us all about it. So, Mr. Paul, how did you acquire this car, and when did it happen?
As you said, it's a 1970 Super Bee. I purchased it in 1971 in Scranton, Pennsylvania. It stayed with me 4 years just before I was married in Brooklyn, New York. It didn't look like this.
Yes.
This was our family car. My wife took her driver's test in this car in Scranton, Pennsylvania, 1975 in December. Snow in Pennsylvania, driving the 70 Super Bee.
Wow, that was insane.
She passed. Kept it as a family car until we both got employment. We were able to put this in the garage and go out and buy a couple cars.
Okay.
And it stayed in underneath the house until 2007.
2007. Okay.
That's when we both moved here to Las Cruces and handed the keys to my brother and said, "Here you go, she's yours."
We have seen the pictures of this car. Paul showed me the album full of pictures. The way the car was, that was just the shell, all rusted, no engine in there, no interior, right?
Correct.
And that is just a true resurrection from the dead. You got to see it to believe it. So can we just pop the hood and
Sure.
see what we got in there? So please talk to me about this engine inside.
Okay, as you said before with the pictures, this was gutted. There was nothing in here, no radiator, no frame, no motor, nothing. This is the original 383 Magnum engine that was there when I bought it in 71. What my brother did was he gutted everything, and you'll see the pictures, and then this is what it was made to look like after that.
So when you said the engine, so when I saw the picture, there was no engine. So he
Correct.
had this sitting someplace else?
He had it taken out and redone.
Oh, okay. The front of this car, these are all original grill
Yes.
on it, and the headlights and everything, right?
Yep.
This is all solid steel. Okay. And there's a big
383 Magnum, 335 horse from the factory.
335 horses. Not bad for that time.
Yeah, it's big.
Yeah. And the radiator, anything else you put in there which...
No, what I am seriously considering doing is putting disc brakes in it. These are all hydraulic brakes, manual brakes. Four drum brakes, front and back. You have to plan your stopping distance with these brakes. Not like my truck where it's got discs, right?
Disc brakes, yes. And all these tires are all aftermarket, most likely.
Well, yeah, the tires are the wheels are Mopar rally wheels, and they could have been stock on this.
I like this badge, 383 Magnum up here. And I've never seen this, but sniff, but don't scratch. You just says, look, but don't touch.
That was the insurance company my brother had on the car. Okay. And then when I brought it here, I changed, actually, that I had on a different insurance company.
Okay.
They're both titled as antiques.
So
being not a daily driver, you get a pretty decent break on your insurance.
I agree. Okay, guys, so let's look at the back of this car. It's nice, big, lengthy tail here. And I love this emblem. This is the original Super Bee emblem?
Yes, sir.
Great. And how big is the trunk up here? Can you please open it for us? Wow.
You probably have a picnic in there.
Well, we could put 10 dead bodies in there.
Yeah.
All right. And nowadays, they don't make cars like these with that kind of spacious trunk. But this is huge.
And of course,
Steel. No kidding. And there's a spare in there. And so these tail lights are all original tail lights.
right.
And these were all, you had to find those, or they were with the car at that time?
They were with the car.
Okay.
They are original taillights.
Okay. And the mufflers?
They're probably aftermarket.
Aftermarket. And you said it produces 383.
383 Magnum 335 horse.
Cool. All right, guys, so let's look at the interior pretty quickly and then we'll go for a ride because that's where the fun begins. Here I am with Paul, and we are in the interior of this Dodge Coronet 1970. You were showing me, this is the brochure of the car, or the catalog?
Exactly.
Look at that. And it's the original catalog, huh?
Yep.
1970.
Yes,
wow. I bet one of these would be pretty expensive to own nowadays if you want to buy somewhere. Look at that. And the good thing is it was just 4 or 5 pages, not like a 300-page book. That
Like an
nowadays.
encyclopedia.
Yeah. In different colors. And so the color of this car was what made you to choose red on it?
Oh, I didn't.
Okay.
That's the color it came with.
Okay. So you just painted on top of it?
This is the original color, not the original paint.
Okay.
So if you look in the back of that catalog here, it'll show you the different paint schemes,
Yes.
paint colors. So it's more of the orange or
Bright red.
Bright red.
And these were all the possible colors it came in with.
And the possible configurations. It came in, the Coronet came in a station wagon.
With a woody, like a woody wagon or something.
Right.
Yeah, it has wood on top of it. Well, for 1970, not bad. And here we are now. Everything is customized on computers. But I love this green though. Look at that. So, perfect. Very well kept. Now, the interior is all original too, or this is...
No, the interior was all redone.
Okay.
It was all reupholstered. I'll show you pictures. Everything was gutted. There was nothing here.
Okay.
Dash was gone, the radio, which doesn't work, but that's the original radio. It was only an AM radio. And my brother took it down to, my brother and his partner, Pam Stetz, she and him made this car look as good as it is.
Well, they did a good job. No doubt about that. And this
No,
steering
the steering wheel is original.
and that's
It's just the wrap on it.
shift
That's all
knob
it
up
is.
there. Okay, guys. So it's time to go for a ride, and you gotta hear this thing. This thing is loud and obnoxious, and that's where the fun begins. See you in a moment.